Hey everyone, it's Laurie. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things fashion, style, and how to elevate your wardrobe with simple yet effective tips. Today we're talking about something super comfy yet stylish, the sports bra. I'm rocking this blue sports bra and matching shorts set. And I wanted to show you how you can take a simple athleisure piece and make it look chic and versatile. Whether you're heading to the gym, lounging at home, or running errands, you can easily elevate your look with a few styling tricks. The first way to style a sports bra set is by keeping it simple and casual. This is perfect for those laid-back days when comfort is key, but you still want to look put together. You can throw on an oversized denim jacket or a comfy hoodie over your sports bra and pair it with some slip-on sneakers or slides. This adds a layer of dimension to the outfit while still keeping it sporty. For those days when you want to elevate your look a bit, layering is key. A lightweight cardigan or a long button-up shirt can make a sports bra and short set feel more polished. You could go for a neutral-toned cardigan over the blues set for a chic contrast, or even a sleek blazer for a more fashion-forward touch. Add some mules or chic sneakers, and you've got a stylish, elevated look that's still super comfy. And maybe add a sleek gym bag or crossbody for a practical but stylish touch. This look is great for the gym, yoga, or even a quick coffee run, where you want to be comfortable but still look stylish.